Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. And the factory reset could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, you want to sell it, give it away to somebody. You could also try to use it as a fix for some stuff on your watch, but it's like a very last resort thing, because if you factory reset your watch, you will use your settings and data from your watch. So I recommend it as the last resort thing for the fixing. Okay, and of course I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And one thing to mention before we continue is that make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So be aware of that. And once your battery is charged, we can continue. You can open the menu by pressing the crown button. Then you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you need to scroll down and look for the option called the system. And once you find it, you can tap on it, of course. In the system, scroll down and look for the reset option, select it, and then scroll down, tap on this reset button, tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the process is complete, which will take a while. And once you see this screen, it means that the factory reset is complete, and you can pair your watch with another device or with the same one if you want to. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video, and see you in the next one.